Hi, I'm Katie from Collaborative Classroom. This is an unboxing video to show you the materials that come in your first grade small group reading sets, which is a component of being a reader. Here are all the materials that come with the first grade kit. The first thing you'll have is a packaging list, which includes all the materials that you see here. But let's get started with our implementation handbook. The implementation handbook is intended to support your implementation of small group reading. It includes an overview of the program and the design and features of sets 1 through 12. It also includes instructional supports, planning resources, and assessments. These are the materials that you'll use during your lessons. Here are the 2 sets of the high frequency word cards, one to be displayed on the wall and one for you to hold in your hands. We also have the spelling sound cards that you'll use during the lessons, the wall cards, which will be displayed as you introduce them in your instruction, and a full poster that you'll want to consider where you can display and make visible during your lesson. And these are the small group reading sets 3 through 8 for first grade. In here is a teacher's manual and 6 copies of the student text, either the decodable text or the trade books for your instruction. These are all of your physical materials, but we also wanted to let you know we have a wealth of resources available on the Learning Portal that you'll need to access. On the front page of your implementation handbook is a QR code that you can scan to gain access onto the Learning Portal. There are many resources that you will use, including reproducibles for teacher and student use, assessments, and the digital teacher's manual, so you never have to take any of these home. There's also videos of teachers demonstrating specific routines and full-length videos of the small group reading lessons. The student text is also available on the book room so that the students can access it from a digital device or read it at home. Once you log on to the Learning Portal, know that we are just a click away for support, and we hope that this first grade small group reading unboxing video was helpful.